Hi, come again with me, Made Ayu Sumarmi. Today we are going to talk about handling guest complaint. Handling guest complaints in a restaurant is an important part of maintaining guest satisfaction and business reputation so that the business can run well. Especially with the rapid use of social media use, it can be like a double-edged sword for those in the food and beverage industry. We often encounter complaints between guests and providers in the food and beverage service industry. So, what can we do? If a guest complains, some steps you can take to handle the situation effectively are: first, quick respond to the complaint by apologizing for the inconvenience experienced by the guest. Second, verify the complaint. Check customer complaints by confirming with the chef or staff who prepared the order. And then give the explanation, describe the steps you will take to fix the problem, and give fast and effective solution. And the last one, give compensation to the guests as a follow-up to ensure their satisfaction. Various types of complaints that may occur are food quality, service, clean lines, price, atmosphere, food safety, timing, and communication. Okay, now let's talk one by one. Here are some potential customer complaints related to food quality, such as inconsistent flavor. For example, the food is bland, overly salty, or not as described. The other complaint is about food temperature. For example, the food is too cold or too hot. And the other one is about the texture of the food. For example, the food is too dry, too soggy, or has an unpleasant texture. So what should we do? So here are some actions that can be taken to maintain good food quality. First one is provide regular training for kitchen staff to ensure they follow best practice. Use standardized recipe to ensure consistency in taste and quality. Implement routine quality control checks to monitor food quality. Storage ingredients properly to maintain their freshness and prepare spoilage. Actively find and follow up on customer feedback to make improvements, and regularly check inventory to ensure that ingredients are used before they expire and to avoid running out of stock. Second, the complaint is about the service, such as the staff didn't handle guest complaint well and didn't offer any solutions. The order was incorrect. The service was too slow and wait a long time for the food. So, what is the solution? To maintain high quality service, we can take the following action. Regularly train staff on customer service skills, menu knowledge, and problem-solving technique. Encourage friendly and professional customer interaction, ensuring staff are attentive and polite, and respond to complaints quickly and effectively, offering apologies and solution to resolve issues. Next complaint is about clean lines, such as the table were not properly cleaned and had food crumbs on them. The restroom were dirty and had an unpleasant smell. The floors were sticky and seemed like they hadn't been moved in a while. So, what is the solution? Here are some things that can be done to maintain clean lines. First, establish a routine cleaning schedule for all areas of the establishment, including dining areas, restroom, and kitchens. And then train staff on proper cleaning procedures and ensure they understand the importance of maintaining clean lines. And next, provide adequate cleaning supplies such as disinfectant, mops, and sponges to enable true cleaning. Next, regularly inspect all area of the establishment to identify any cleanliness issues and address them promptly. Next, implement strict hygiene protocols for staff, including hand washing and wearing clean uniform to prevent the spread of germ and bacteria. The last one is ensure that trash bins are emptied regularly and that waste is properly disposed of to prevent unpleasant odors and pest infestation. The other complaint is about price, such as the prices are too high for the quality of food or service received. Hidden fees is additional charges that were not mentioned on the menu, and misleading pricing is some menu items are priced differently than advertised. And what is the solution? Here are some things that can be done to maintain prices. First is cost control. To implement strict cost control measures to manage expenses and keep prices competitive. And second is portion control. Implement portion control measures to minimize food waste and maximize profit margin. And then regular price reviews is conduct regular reviews of pricing to ensure it remains competitive and profitable. And the last one is monitor market trends. Stay informed about market trends and adjust pricing strategies accordingly to remain competitive. Some guests may often complain about the atmosphere of the restaurant. They complain about the temperature was too cold or hot, unpleasant odors, and noise level. Here are some solutions that can be done to maintain a comfortable atmosphere in a restaurant. The first one is the temperature control. Maintain a comfortable temperature in the dining area, ensuring it is neither too hot nor too cold. The second one is noise management. Implement measures to control noise levels, such as using sound-absorbing materials or playing background music at an appropriate volume. The third one is cleanliness. Keep the restaurant clean and well maintained to create a positive impression and a comfortable environment for the guests. And don't forget to check the ventilation. Ensure proper ventilation to prevent stuffiness and maintain fresh air circulation throughout the restaurant. The other guest complaint is about food safety. They complain about cross-contamination. The guest has a food allergy, but the food came into contact with allergens. The other complaint is uncovered food. Some food items were left uncovered, increasing the risk of contamination. And the other things the guest complaint is moldy food. There was a mold in the bread or the other food item served. Here are some solutions to maintain food safety. The first one is allergen awareness. Train staff to be aware of common food allergens and how to prevent cross-contact for customers with food allergies. The second one is safe food handling. Train staff on safe food handling practices, including proper storage, cooking, and serving temperatures. And the last one is the temperature control. Monitor and record food temperatures regularly to ensure that hot foods stay hot and cold foods stay cold to prevent bacterial growth. Another complaint from the guests is about timing. The guests had to wait for a long time before being seated. They also complained about the service was slow and it took a while to get the food. And they complained about the others took too much longer than expected to arrive at the table. So, what is the solution to manage the time effectively? First, make a schedule planning. Create a detailed schedule or itinerary outlining tasks and activities to be completed within specific time frames. Use time management tools. Utilize tools and techniques such as calendars, to-do lists, and time tracking application to organize and manage time effectively. And don't forget training staff on efficient work technique and coordination between various teams, such as kitchen and serving staff, involves several key steps. Communication is an important thing in food and beverage service industry. Miscommunication can misunderstanding. Another that a language barrier making difficult to communicate the others. A lack of communication between the kitchen and serving staff can make delayed service. We can comprehensive training to staff on effective communication techniques, including active listening and clear articulation to maintain effective communication in a restaurant. Besides that, language training or resources to staff to improve communication with customers who speak different language. The other solution is lead by example. Managers and supervisors should lead by example by demonstrating effective communication skills and providing guidance to staff when needed. We can utilize technology such as mobile device or communication application to facilitate communication between staff members and enhance efficiency. Guest complaints can have bad various impacts. Loss of customer trust is a significant negative impact of guest complaints. When customers feel their concerns are not adequately addressed or their experiences are not valued, it erodes their trust in the restaurant. Negative publicity is indeed a significant consequence of guest complaints that are mishandled or left unaddressed. Absolutely, mishandled guest complaints can result in lost opportunities to acquire new customers. That is some explanation about handling guest complaints. Thank you for joining and see you next time. Goodbye.